Hi, today I have a fantastic and unique padlock for you guys. It's a very old LM Ericsson padlock. I did clean this one. It was in very bad shape. And here's the key. It's LM Ericsson. It's a 5-pin lock. Interesting bidding. So short, long, long, short, long, and two short pins. It's working very nice. It's catching a bit, of course. It's a old padlock, cannot be shim because there is like a physical blocking the shackle. So harden, and it can be disassembled, and disassembly it's very interesting, and that's why I said very unique one. I did clean this one. I have another one that I did not clean, but it's a bit worse shape than this one, so I'll try to pick it and show you what is inside. It's a bit tricky pick, even all the pins are standard, because it's a very old, and there is very crunchiness inside, and it's really tricky to pick, even with 5 standard pins. So yeah, let's start. I will need concentration a lot, to be honest. So 1, it's binding. Click from 1, and I will do the jiggle test non-stop. 2, I think, did I set 2? Now I think I set 2. 1 and 2 feel set. 3, come on. Click from 3. I think I did not overset. Hopefully I did not overset 3, because it's a, so now 4 is binding. Click from 4. No. 5. Now click from 4, I think, or I overset 4. 2, 4, 5. I'll need to readjust my hand, and to be honest, sometimes my hand hurts trying to pick this one. I picked it a couple of weeks ago, so now everything seems fine. No, 4 it's overset, so hopefully I reset. 1 okay, 2 okay, 3 okay, 4 okay, now 5. So I overset and then I set 5. Come on, crunchiness. Come on, 5. No. 1, 2, 3, 4 is back. 4, 5, no. 1, 2, no. I overset pin number 3. Remove my tension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is binding. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, finally. Finally picked. So this is the part that I want to show you. How is this lock? How we can disassemble this one. Very tricky pick. So let me bring my pinning tray, so hopefully give me a chance to rearrange a bit. You can see there is here a grub screw, so we need to remove that grub screw. Yes, and you can see the bottom part will be, so let me remove it completely. I just want to show all the parts. So here's that grub screw, it's going in the angle, on the angle. So oops, here's the how the bottom part. So and this part you can see like there are two knobs, and then you twist it to remove it. So you twist it, and of course WD-40 give me a chance to clean everything of it. So that's how the bottom plate looks like. So here's the spring for the shackle spring here, and on this side you can see here there is a screw holding the shackle. So, and this was the problematic part when I tried to remove it. Even the key was, I think it was not working, and so you can see I tried to remove this. So yeah, it's a bit beaten, but it was worth it. So now the shackle will fall out. Yes, here's the shackle. Let me put it there. I need to rearrange things a bit, it's a big. So now I think I'm giving a chance to clean. Everything will fall out, and yeah, here's the, let me put it here. Here's how everything looks like. Let me clean it a bit. So this is the locking bars. So where's the key? When we lock this one, so they're going like that, and now the lock is locked, so you cannot shim it. And here's how it looks like when you unlock it. So now I need to remove these two pins. Hopefully, yeah, good. It was easy. The first time when I tried to remove it, it was, yeah, old lock. So of course everything is going to be problematic. There's the two pins, there are the locking bars. So here's finally the lock, and hopefully you can see it here. When that grub screw goes inside, it's going to the in some kind of an angle like 25 degrees, and then it's going into the, I don't know if we can show you, it's going into the body. Hopefully you can see that. So it's going there, so you cannot remove it. And now we need a different bit, so we can remove, yeah, and this screws was very hard to remove. Everything was very hard to remove and clean, but I'm glad that I was able to clean it, and now it's working properly. Even previously it was not really working properly. I think I was able to pick it first time when it was in a very bad shape. So here's that part that is holding the core. I'll put it there, and now we need the key. I'll go upside down, and because this is a bigger, not a standard one, doesn't matter, I will use this. I need to shim this one definitely. I forgot how it, or I don't need to shim it. No, I need to do it somehow like this. Yeah. Here are the pins on the other side. Yes. Whew. Tricky one. So here's the core. So you can see very, 1, 2, 3 standard, 4 standard, and pin number 5 standard. Everything is standard. So now the drivers, they're all standard, but I will go one by one. The first one, the spring. The second one, spring. The third one, sorry, I was out of frame. Fourth, I will get the springs later, they're all the same. And the fifth one. So as you can see, everything is standard. So let me grab the springs. So here's the core. So yeah, as you can see, a lot of parts. As you can see, so as you can see, a lot of parts. Very unique, and like how they designed, how they build it, it's so unique that it's unbelievable. So all the pins are the standard, key and the drivers, and you can see this long third pin, and you can see the body. They did a lot of interesting details and how they created, and especially this part for like they're probably screws, I don't know, I did not try to remove it. So that's how they you need to go like this, and there is a this part is so you know how to turn the key. So it's yeah, every single detail is very special, so unbelievable, and I'm really glad that I have it in my collection. So guys, this was the LM Ericsson vintage padlock, picked and got it. So guys, thanks for watching, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.